In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Udemy app. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so Udemy is one of the best tools that you can use out there to learn anything. However, to get the latest features that comes with this app, you need to go ahead and get the latest version of this app. By updating your app, you'll also be able to fix any errors that might be associated with this app, as well as have a smooth running of your app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to update your Udemy app, all you need to do is to go to Google Play Store if you're on Android or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and go to Play Store here, then search for Udemy. Now, if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Udemy online courses app. To update it, just tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Udemy and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once the app is installed, now you can open and start using the latest version of Udemy app. So that's how you can update or get the latest version of Udemy app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.